Hi, good day, M6074. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Princess Joy A1, 33 years old, from Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. I am married. I have three children, ages 13, 12, and 1 year old. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate.
Of what course?
BHRTM, major in food technology.
Your religion.
Roman Catholic, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, from November 30, 2020 to November 30, 2023. I served one couple and two children, ages 6 and 1.
Okay. And you are also taking care of a pets, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of pets?
Dog, sir.
And you are also car washing. How many car do you car wash?
One, sir.
Okay. Um, since you have an experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature. I will give him milk. I will check the diaper if the diaper is full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call my employer, sir.
And what will you say to the employer?
I will tell them to I will tell them that the baby is crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to help my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
At least 2 years, sir.
Okay. Um, if your employers prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
By the way, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it is okay
But
to you
I'm
to.
willing to learn, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube, sir, and read books.
Okay, so if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with other helpers? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets,
Yes, sir.
taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me, ma'am, as your housemaid because I am obedient, trustworthy, and
And
honest.
okay, thank you very much, Miss Princess Joy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.